In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a value in a child table in ERPNext. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along in your own system. Make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and that you have permission to edit doc types, since we'll be working directly with the doc type settings. Start from your ERPNext homepage. At the top of the screen, look for the global search bar. This is the quick way to navigate anywhere in ERPNext. Click into the search bar and start typing the word doc type. As you type, ERPNext will show you matching options in a drop-down. From that list, select Doc Type List. This will open the main page where all your doc types are managed. On the Doc Type List page, you'll see a table of all available doc types. Use the search box on this page to find the child table you want to work with. In this example, we're looking for the doc type that represents the child table itself. Once you see it in the list, click on the name of that child table to open its doc type configuration. You're now inside the doc type form for your child table. At the top of this page, you'll see different tabs or sections, such as settings and fields. First, click on the settings section to review the basic configuration of this child table. This is a good moment to confirm that this doc type really is set up as a child table and is linked correctly to your parent doc type. Next, switch over to the fields section. This is where you define which columns appear inside the child table and how their values are handled. Scroll down to the list of existing fields, then look for the Add Row button, usually found underneath the field list. Click Add Row to create a new field in the child table. A new empty row will appear. Here, fill in the details for this field, give it a clear label, choose an appropriate field type, and set the field name if needed. You can also configure options like default values or mandatory status, depending on how you want this value to behave in your child table. Take a moment to double check these settings, since they control how users will enter and see data. Once you're happy with the field configuration, go to the top or bottom of the doc type form and click the Save button. ERPNext will apply your changes, and your child table will now include the new field and handle its value according to the settings you just configured.